I thought I would check this out. So let's go look and see what inspired this. The Chef's Temp Final Touch X10 I saw a review on, and I was loving that thing because it truly was instant temperature reading within like a couple seconds. It was awesome. But then I couldn't find it on any website, not even Amazon. So I came to their product page and look at this. Wow, I'm like, I can't afford that. $70 for a meat temperature. So, I mean, I know there's probably a lot of people that could afford it, and that's beautiful if you can. I would love to be able to get this for myself, but I just can't afford that. So what I did was I went on Amazon, and this is what I found. And I purchased it. This is the Alpha Grillers Instant Read Meat Thermometer for grill and cooking. So $14.99. Wow, what a way better price. And I looked at a review on YouTube. Absolutely incredible review of this product. So I thought that I would buy me one, and I just got it in the mail today. So I thought I would throw together a video real quick, testing it, demonstrating it, and there is, I believe, a calibration. Yes, backlight and calibration, a calibration function. So I thought that we would look into calibrating it as well. So anyway, let's get right to it. Okay, here we are. Let's bring in closer to this. Instant read thermometer with backlight display and external battery included. That is cool. Alpha Grillers. So it's not a knockoff, it's the real thing. Ultra fast, 2 to 3 second response time. We are definitely going to test that. So I finally signed up for Amazon and I got one. So we're going to test it today and see if it actually works, because that'll be beautiful. $15 I can afford, way better than $70. Actually, the list price was $90, but they had it on sale for $70. But still, that's just way too much money for me to have to spend. So let's zoom back out and let's get this open and get this thing tested. Now I'm hoping this video is going to be one of my shorter ones. Okay, come on. Let's get the plastic off. Now, I know I'm going to have to do some serious editing in this video because I don't even know how to use this yet all the way. Like the calibration, I'm not sure. I'll have to read the instructions and then come back and cut all that out, because I know you don't want to set through all that. Okay, so lifetime warranty. Well, all right. Comes with Velcro stickers, so you can, they're hook and loop stickers, so I guess stick it to something, but I believe it has a magnet on the back. Okay, and that's it, nothing else in the box. So let's get that out of the way. Let's take the tape off. There's the battery. Let's get the battery out so we can power it up. More power to you. And then I guess I can't use my fingernail. It won't work. So let's see. Will the battery fit in there? Ah, the battery fits in there. And I can turn it with the battery. Pop that off. Oh, there's a battery in there. Awesome. It comes with an extra battery. Wow. Hey, that's pretty cool. Oh, what do you know about that? I like that. Getting something like this that actually has a spare battery. Well, I guess I can keep this battery in and use it when this one decides to go dead. Okay. Let's zoom in here again. This is to change it from Celsius or Fahrenheit. Uh-oh. Where's the on-off button? Okay, maybe there is... Maybe there's a... Thinking that maybe there was a protective thing in here to keep it from draining the battery, but... Huh. There isn't. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot how to turn it on. There is no button to turn it on. It only comes on when you need it. All right, yeah, this is how you turn it on. Pull the probe and bend and fold it out. Oh, it didn't come on. Oh no, I guess the battery that came with it is dead. Let's hope that's what it was. Uh-oh. This is not starting very good. It's not working. Oh, it does have a magnet. Let's test the battery here. It's 3 volts. So let's see if the battery's dead. I'm hoping the battery is dead, because that means that it's not working. Well, it's 3 volts. The battery is 2.99 volts. Uh-oh. Then did we get a defective one? Oh no. There's nothing in here. There's no plastic in here to break the connection to keep the battery from running dead during shipping. I don't see any plastic at all. So why is this not working? Oh no. Well, what do you know? It don't work. It's not working. And I thought it was supposed to work when you opened it up. And it comes with a meat temperature guide. But that's not going to do me any good if it doesn't work. Ensure batteries installed before use included. Pull the probe out to turn it on. It opens like a penknife, so pull it from the thin end and it will rotate out. Oh no. It doesn't work. Not working. It is not working. Nothing, doing nothing. All right, let's test the voltage on the spare battery. 3.29. Well, let's try the... Maybe these batteries are dead at 2.9 volts, which is weird. Nope. Still doesn't work. What a shame. It was, well, it looks like it was DOA. This is not good. Well, I guess I can do the video anyway, and then I'll have to wait to get another one. But anyway, let's try. I doubt this is going to work, but let's try cleaning the contacts with some alcohol. Maybe it had some oil on it from the factory. I mean, we're not going to give up completely just yet. And I was thinking about taking it apart, but no, I don't want to do that. I would rather not have to take something apart that I just purchased to try to repair it. I will contact the seller on Amazon and see what they will say about it. And then if they want to see a video of the demonstration of it not working, I can just give them a link to this video and they'll see for themselves. That doesn't work. And then I'll just have to put up another video when I get the new one. But let's try this one last time. But I'm going to say it's not going to fix it. Okay, now the directions say just pull out like a switchblade and it'll come on. But it's not coming on. See, it is not coming on. And even when I press buttons and hold the buttons, nothing. Okay, well, I don't want this to discourage anybody from buying this. Because, like I've said before in videos, that no matter how good a product is, even if I would have bought that one for $70, I'm sure they have a bad one floating out there somewhere, and I could have gotten that bad one that didn't work. So it doesn't matter how much you pay for a device, no matter how good it is, no matter how good the company is, no matter how incredible they are with quality control. Anything can go wrong during shipment. Maybe it was mishandled. It doesn't look like it was. But anything can go wrong. Maybe their quality control isn't the best, which still isn't a reason to throw a company away. It could be that this was a bad one floating out there and somebody had to get it. So anyway, well, unfortunately, this is kind of a bummer. I was really looking forward to testing the instant temperature reading feature and calibrating it, and I was so excited. Wow. But now I'm going to have to send it back and get a replacement. Okay, well, thanks for watching. I know, I'm sorry. I just sound bummed right now because really I am. But it's okay. I understand these things happen. So keep in touch with my channel. Even if you don't subscribe, just check back once in a while. And hopefully soon I will, have a new one sent out to me that I can finish this and make a part 2 out of it. All right, take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Find someone that needs to laugh and make it happen. God bless. And if I don't see you, have a Merry Christmas and an incredibly joyous Happy New Year.